You can make money with just your phone. You don't even need a laptop. In this video, I'm going to show you 3 easy ways to make money with just your phone. There are so many different apps that will pay you to complete certain tasks. And some of the most popular ones include Swagbucks, Inbox Dollars, and Toloka. I'll show you how each of these work. But first, let me show you some of the payment proof. These could be anything from categorizing images to transcribing audio, answering questions, and doing surveys. It's a really cool website. The only downside to Toloka is that you do need $10 in order to withdraw your money. However, if you live in any of these countries, they will mail you a check. Otherwise, you can withdraw the money into your PayPal account. Once you reach that $10 minimum threshold, if so, please hit the like button. It does help me out a lot. Now, there are some apps that you can use to do this, and some of the most popular ones include Foap and Snapewire. So if we click on that, we can log in, and after we log in, we can upload some of our photos. You can see that I've already uploaded this picture of a sunset that I took with my phone, and I've already sold this picture 3 times. Now with Foap, you can upload up to 100 photos for free. Now if you upgrade to their premium version, which costs $25 per year, you can upload unlimited photos. When you upload a photo, you be asked to pick a price, and then you be asked to describe it. And then you can upload your photo, and you can sell it to brands. Brands are always looking for new photos to use on their websites and social media pages. They're willing to pay real money for these photos. And sometimes when you upload a photo, they'll buy it right away without you having to list it. And all you have to do is take your phone and snap some pictures. Also, if you haven't already, please subscribe. I post similar content every single week. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. You can take pictures of anything and sell them to brands. Also, if you haven't already, please subscribe. I post similar content every single week. All right, let's move on to way 3. And it doesn't matter if you're 18 years old or 80 years old. You can do these right now. Let's get into it. 2, I just want to quickly mention that if you guys enjoyed this video, please hit the like button. It really does help me out. Is there something that you know how to do better than everyone else? This is a question that you really should think about, because it leads me to way 2, which is freelancing. Yes, you can actually freelance just using your phone. One of the best apps for doing this is the Fiverr app. People always think that you need a computer to freelance, but that's not true. You can do it from your phone. So if you're good at something, go ahead and create a gig. Also, if you haven't already, consider subscribing because I post similar content every single week. And let us say I wanted to create a gig where I help people with social media growth. I could click on this button right here that says create a gig, and then I would name my gig, and then I would upload a picture, and then I would write a description. I would put the price, and then I would click publish. This way anyone looking to grow on social media, whether it's Instagram, TikTok, Kita, could come across my profile, see my gig, and they could buy it. And again, you don't need a laptop. You can do this right from your phone. You can become a freelancer, build up a client base, and make thousands of dollars. All right, let's move on to way 2. Way 1 is to use what's called task apps. So with Swagbucks, you can get paid in cash or gift cards. Here's some cash that was sent out within the last couple of days. A $100 Amazon gift card, a $50 Roblox gift card. Now you can see some of the emails that they receive from users saying thank you for paying them. If we click on this button right here that says join now, it's going to take us over to this page where we can sign up for free. Like the others, you'll also get $5 for signing up for free. After you sign up, you can go ahead and click on this button right here that says get paid to, and you can get paid to read emails, take surveys, shop online, play games, watch videos, and test apps. I really like this one because you can watch videos and get paid every single day. You can also go to the bottom of the website and scroll through all these different categories, find something that interests you, and get paid for doing it. Again, when you cash out, you can cash out into a PayPal deposit, gift cards, or even Bitcoin. And here's some of the other gift cards they offer. And if you want to see some of the bigger payouts, there's people who have been cashing out hundreds and hundreds of dollars. So when you sign up, you'll be given $10 for free. Then you can go ahead and get started by clicking on this button right here. Then you can choose what you want to do. First thing I'm going to show you guys is watch. So you can watch different videos, get paid every single day for watching videos. You can do surveys, search the web, play games. and you guys can see this little meter at the top. That's your SB points. When you reach 900 SB points, that's equivalent to $10. Once you get to $10, you can either choose to cash out in a gift card or in cold hard cash. So let's say we wanted to cash out into an Amazon gift card. We would type in $10, click confirm, and we'd get our $10 Amazon gift card right away. Or if we wanted to cash out into PayPal, we would type in our PayPal email, click confirm, and we'd get our $10 within 2 business days. The next app is called Inbox Dollars, and some of their payment proof includes these gift cards and of course cash. The last app I'll mention is called Toloka. Now this one has a lot of different opportunities, and they'll basically pay you to do micro tasks. Now, before I move on to Wayno, but first I want to ask you guys a question. Are you good at something? Let me give you an example. So I am gone nah, open up my Fiverr app right here, and now it's time for way number 3. But first, are you getting value from this video so far? This is a unique way to make money, and that is by selling your photos and videos. Let me show you how this works with Foap. So if we go to this website right here, you can see this little camera icon at the top right here. And now I want to hear from you guys. What's your favorite way to make money with just your phone? Comment down below.